Are you ready to dive into the world of research projects? This video will guide you through the essential steps and considerations needed to undertake a successful research project. From data collection to analysis, we cover it all.
Understanding key terminology is crucial in any research project. Terms like data collection, analysis, and methodology set the foundation. Knowing these helps in structuring your research effectively. They guide you in aligning your objectives with your methods. This knowledge ensures clarity and precision in your research. The research project plan involves systematic data collection and analysis. Primary data can be gathered through surveys and interviews. Secondary data involves literature reviews. Documenting findings in a structured report is essential. Visual aids like graphs and charts enhance presentation. Maintaining focus on intended purposes is vital. Regularly review progress to ensure alignment with objectives. Detailed logs and databases help in systematic recording. Software tools aid in organizing data efficiently. This approach keeps the research on track. Controlling bias is essential for credible research. Use random sampling and blind procedures to minimize bias. Validity ensures the research measures what it intends to. Consistency in data collection enhances reliability. These factors contribute to trustworthy results. Assessing data sufficiency is crucial for comprehensive research. Evaluate if the collected data addresses the research questions. Multiple sources and triangulation confirm data adequacy. This ensures the research is well-founded. Adequate data supports meaningful conclusions. Data analysis involves both qualitative and quantitative methods. Thematic analysis identifies patterns and themes. Statistical methods analyze numerical data. Trend analysis reveals changes over time. Statistical tests examine relationships and differences. Effective data presentation is key. Use graphs and charts for visual representation. Tables organize data clearly. Case studies illustrate findings in detail. Direct quotes support qualitative insights. Conducting research as per the proposal is systematic. Review objectives and methodology regularly. Implement specified data collection methods. Maintain transparency with detailed logs. This ensures reproducibility and alignment with the plan. The first step is reviewing the research proposal. Data collection follows, using specified methods. Systematic recording ensures data integrity. Analysis is conducted as planned. Regular checks maintain focus on objectives. Minimizing bias is crucial for valid results. Use triangulation to cross-verify data. Ensure consistent data collection methods. Regularly evaluate the validity of the research design. These steps ensure reliable outcomes. Evaluate data sufficiency to answer research questions. Collect additional data if needed. Prepare a detailed write-up with introduction and conclusion. Use visual aids for effective presentation. This final step communicates findings clearly. Regular progress reviews are essential. Assess resource allocation and time management. Address shortages promptly to avoid disruptions. Compare actual progress with the planned timeline. Implement corrective measures if needed. Adaptability is key in research. Use monitoring data to update the plan. Document changes and communicate with the team. Adjust timelines and resources as needed. This flexibility ensures the research remains relevant. Staying within the research scope is crucial. Revisit objectives regularly to avoid scope creep. Implement quality checks at each stage. Address deviations promptly to maintain integrity. This ensures the research stays on track. Systematic monitoring and reviewing are vital. Adjustments keep the research aligned with objectives. This approach ensures efficient and credible outcomes. Adherence to the initial scope is maintained. The research achieves its intended goals. Evaluating data validity and sufficiency is essential. The project aims and outcomes should align. Challenges include participant engagement and timely responses. Mitigation strategies are crucial. This evaluation ensures data credibility. The project plan provides structure and direction. Methodologies like surveys and interviews are effective. Challenges include time and resource constraints. Adapting to logistical issues is necessary. This ensures the project remains effective. Validity is ensured through rigorous processes. The volume of data must support conclusions. Challenges include ensuring honest responses. Mitigation includes anonymity and confidentiality. This adds value to the research findings. The project largely meets its goals. Data collected is valid and sufficient. Continuous monitoring ensures alignment with objectives. Adjustments are made as needed. This contributes significantly to the research field. Refer to ebooks and journals for more insights. Additional reading enhances understanding. Queries can be emailed for clarification. Assignment submissions follow unit completion. This ensures comprehensive learning.
Conclusion. By following systematic steps, your research project can be successful. Ensuring the reliability and validity of your findings is essential, as these elements underpin credible and aligned research outcomes. This video has outlined key strategies to help you achieve this. If you have any questions, please contact us at 0748 436 1688.